Welcome back to Modern Homes and Gardens, where inspiration meets creativity and extraordinary ideas come to life. Today, we invite you to sit back, relax, and enjoy another fascinating journey into the world of design, innovation, craftsmanship, and imagination. Every remarkable transformation begins with a vision. What starts as a simple concept can evolve into something truly breathtaking when creativity, dedication, and attention to detail come together. The most impressive spaces are often the result of bold thinking, careful planning, and a willingness to see possibilities where others see limitations. Luxury is not only about appearance, it is about creating an experience that feels unique, personal, and unforgettable. Great design combines beauty with functionality, ensuring that every element serves a purpose while contributing to a larger story. From elegant materials and refined finishes to innovative solutions and timeless aesthetics, every detail plays an important role in shaping an exceptional environment. As trends continue to evolve, one thing remains constant: the desire to create spaces that inspire. Whether modern, classic, futuristic, or completely unconventional, outstanding designs have the power to transform the way we experience the world around us. They encourage us to dream bigger, think differently, and appreciate the artistry behind every carefully crafted detail. Innovation continues to push boundaries in exciting ways. Designers and creators are constantly exploring new materials, advanced technologies, and fresh approaches that redefine what is possible. These advancements allow ordinary concepts to become extraordinary realities, opening doors to opportunities that once seemed unimaginable. Beyond aesthetics, great spaces tell stories. They reflect personality, ambition, and vision. They showcase the perfect balance between creativity and practicality while delivering an atmosphere that feels welcoming, inspiring, and memorable. Every successful project demonstrates how thoughtful design can elevate everyday experiences and create lasting impressions. Throughout this journey, we celebrate the passion and expertise that drive remarkable transformations. The process often requires patience, skill, and a commitment to excellence, yet the final result serves as a powerful reminder that extraordinary outcomes are achievable when imagination leads the way. As you explore these incredible ideas, consider how innovation and creativity can influence your own perspective. Inspiration can come from unexpected places, and even the most ambitious concepts often begin with a single spark of imagination. By embracing new possibilities and exploring fresh ideas, we can continue to discover exciting ways to enhance the spaces around us. Thank you for spending your time with us today. We hope this experience has provided inspiration, sparked curiosity, and offered a glimpse into the endless potential of great design and creative thinking. If you enjoyed this content, be sure to support the channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing to Modern Homes and Gardens. Your support helps us continue bringing you exceptional content featuring inspiring spaces, innovative concepts, and extraordinary transformations from around the world. Until next time, stay inspired, keep exploring new ideas, and continue discovering the beauty of creativity with Modern Homes and Gardens. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.